Chickenpox vaccine. Varicella chickenpox is a virus that can cause an itchy, blistery rash all over the body and is generally accompanied by a fever and drowsiness. It is transmitted from person to person through the air or by contact with fluid from the rash. Serious complications may include skin infections, pneumonia, encephalitis, and even death. Diphtheria vaccine. DTaP. Diphtheria is caused by bacteria that live in an infected person's mouth or throat and can cause a sore throat or fever and may obstruct breathing. Sneezing or coughing can spread these bacteria from person to person. Serious complications may include heart failure, paralysis, and death. Hib Haemophilus influenzae type B vaccine. Hib is caused by bacteria that are spread through the air by coughing or sneezing. It can cause ear infections and serious throat swelling. If Hib bacteria enter a person's bloodstream, they can cause meningitis, pneumonia, and other problems. Serious complications may include permanent brain damage and death. Hepatitis A vaccine. Hepatitis is a virus found mostly in bowel movements and is spread by personal contact or through contaminated food or water. It can cause liver disease, which can result in stomach pain, vomiting, fever, and other problems. Serious complications may include liver failure that leads to death. Hepatitis B vaccine. HEPB. Hepatitis B is a virus that can cause liver disease and yellow skin or eyes jaundice. It can spread through contact with infected blood or other body fluids, or from mother to baby at birth. Serious complications may include chronic liver disease, cirrhosis, scarring of the liver cancer, and death. Flu influenza vaccine. Flu influenza is a virus that is spread from person to person by droplets from coughing, sneezing, or talking, or from surfaces that have the virus on them. The flu can cause fever, sore throat, cough, chills, and muscle aches. Serious complications may include pneumonia, inflammation of the heart, and death. Measles vaccine. MMR. Measles is a virus that can cause a rash all over the body, fever, runny nose, and cough. It is very contagious and is spread from person to person through coughing, sneezing, and even breathing. Serious complications may include pneumonia, seizures, permanent brain damage, and even death. Mumps vaccine. MMR. Mumps is a virus that can cause fever, headache, and inflammation of the salivary glands, which leads to swelling of the cheeks and jaws. Person-to-person transmission occurs through the air. Serious complications may include meningitis and occasionally encephalitis or deafness, and even death. Pertussis whooping cough vaccine. DTaP. Pertussis is caused by bacteria that are spread from person to person through the air. The disease can cause violent coughing spells that can affect eating, drinking, and even breathing. Serious complications may include pneumonia, seizures, encephalopathy, brain infection, and death. Polio vaccine. IPV. Polio is a very contagious virus that can cause paralysis. Most infected people show no symptoms. It is spread through contact with the stool of an infected person or by droplets from a sneeze or cough. Serious complications may include weakness in arms or legs or both, paralysis, and death. Pneumococcal disease vaccine. PCV. Pneumococcal disease is caused by bacteria that are spread by airborne droplets or by direct contact with infected saliva or mucus. Invasive disease can cause cough, fever and chills, chest pain, ear infections, blood infections, and difficulty breathing. Serious complications may include bacterial meningitis, which may lead to death. BEMI of pediatrics. Rotavirus vaccine. RV. Rotavirus spreads easily by hands, diapers, or objects that have a small amount of infected stool on them. This virus causes severe diarrhea, vomiting, and fever. Serious complications may include severe diarrhea leading to extreme dehydration, which can cause death. Rubella German measles vaccine. MMR, rubella, is an airborne virus that causes swollen glands, a slight fever or rash, and occasionally arthritis-like symptoms. It is a mild disease in children. Serious complications are found in babies if the mother has been infected during pregnancy. The baby may be born deaf or blind, with a damaged heart or small brain, or be mentally impaired. Tetanus lockjaw vaccine. DTaP. Tetanus is a bacterial disease that enters through the skin from deep cuts and puncture wounds. Tetanus may cause headache, irritability, and spasms in the jaw muscles. Serious complications may include inability to swallow, muscle cramps so strong that they can break a child's bones, and often death.